Good morning, students. In our previous video, we started the topic input tax credit. In that video, we discussed the meaning and conditions for availing input tax credit. In today's video, we will discuss the utilization of input tax credit as well as we will discuss the block credit and special circumstances of input tax credit. So to begin with, utilization of input tax credit. As visible on your screen, if ITC is available in the category of CGST, it will be first used to pay CGST, then to IGST. It is not allowed to pay the SGST. SGST may be first used to pay SGST, then to IGST. It is not allowed from CGST. IGST will be first used to pay IGST, then CGST, and then SGST. So this is the sequence to be followed in particular order. Next, we are looking at apportionment of credit under section 17. इसमें 3 सबसेक्शन आते हैं, सेक्शन 17, सबसेक्शन 1, सबसेक्शन 2 एंड सबसेक्शन 4. फर्स्ट में हमारा आता है दैट प्रपोर्शनेट आईटीसी टू द एक्सटेंड यूज फॉर बिजनेस पर्पसेस इज एडमिसिबल. जब गुड्स एंड सर्विसेज को पार्टली बिजनेस पर्पस के लिए और पार्टली अदर पर्पसेस के लिए यूज़ किया जाता है तो प्रपोर्शनेट इनपुट टैक्स क्रेडिट अवेलेबल होगा. सेकेंड हमारा आता है सेक्शन 17 सब सेक्शन 2 के अंडर आईटीसी इज रिस्ट्रिक्टेड टू द एक्सटेंट ऑफ टैक्सेबल सप्लाईज इंक्लूडिंग जीरो रेटेड सप्लाईज when goods and services are partly used for affecting exempt supplies including supplies under reverse charge mechanism. नेक्स्ट एंड लास्ट इसमें आता है अंडर सबसेक्शन 4 इन केस ऑफ बैंकिंग कंपनी एंड फाइनेंशियल इंस्टीट्यूशन ऑल्सो इंक्लूडिंग NBFC दैट इज़ नॉन बैंकिंग फाइनेंशियल कंपनी. इनके पास ऑप्शन होता है कि या तो ये क्या करें, प्रोविजंस ऑफ सबसेक्शन 2 को फॉलो करें या एवरी मंथ 50% ऑफ द एलिजिबल ITC इनको अवेलेबल होता है. वट एवर मैथड दे विल बी यूज इट विल बी सेम फॉर द एंटायर ड्यूरेशन. नेक्स्ट इज द रिस्ट्रिक्शंस ऑन ITC या जिसे हम ब्लॉक्ड क्रेडिट भी बोलते हैं या नेगेटिव लिस्ट भी बोलते हैं. दिस इज कवर्ड अंडर सेक्शन 17 सब सेक्शन 5. एक तरीका प्रेजेंट करने का ये है कि इसको हम 3 पार्ट्स में डिवाइड कर सकते हैं. 1 इज कन्वीनियंस, सेकेंड इज गुड्स और सर्विसेज और बोथ, and third is construction of IP that is immovable property other than plant and machinery. Basically blocked credit या negative list में हम उन चीज़ों को include करते हैं जो कि personal consumption से related होती हैं. So one way of presenting is in this way as visible on your screen, or it may be shown in the form of the list as visible on your screen. Like this includes motor vehicles and other convenience, food and beverages, outdoor catering, beauty treatment, health services and plastic surgery, membership of a club, health and fitness centers, rent a cab, life insurance and health insurance, travel benefits extended to employees on vacations such as leave travel or home travel concession, works contract services when supplied for construction of an immovable property, goods or services both received by a taxable person for construction of an immovable property on his own account, goods or services or both on which tax has been paid under section 10, goods or services or both received by non-resident taxable person except on goods imported by him, goods or services used for personal consumption, goods lost or stolen, destroyed or disposed by way of gift or free samples, any tax paid in accordance with provisions of section 74, 129 and 130. So this is the list of blocked credit under section 17 subsection 5. नेक्स्ट हमारा आता है ट्रांसफर ऑफ क्रेडिट अंडर सेक्शन 18 सबसेक्शन 3. If there is any change in the constitution of registered person due to sale, merger, demerger, amalgamation, lease or transfer of business with the specific provision for the transfer of liabilities, तो उस केस में जो क्रेडिट है उसका क्या किया जाएगा. उसको भी ट्रांसफ़र किया जा सकता है। द अनयूटिलाइज्ड रिमेनिंग electronic credit ledger to such sold, merged, demerged, amalgamated, leased or transferred business in such manner as may be prescribed. So, ITC shall be apportioned in the ratio of value of assets of the new units in case of demerger scheme. Transferor to submit certificate from a practicing chartered accountant whether the sale, merger, demerger or whatever is the situation with specific provision for transfer of liabilities. Transferee has to furnish details of credit available in form GST ITC 02. So transfer of credit is possible in certain situations. Next, we are looking at availability of credit in special circumstances under section 18. We will discuss 4 situations under this. As you can see on your screen, first condition or circumstances given. In case of mandatory registration, where registration is applied within 30 days. Credit will be available for inputs, semi-finished goods and finished goods, and it will be available from the day immediately preceding the date from which he becomes liable to pay tax. In case of voluntary registration, the credit will be available on inputs, semi-finished goods and finished goods, and it will be available from the day immediately preceding the date of registration. This is covered under section 18 subsection 2. थर्ड हमारा आता है पर्सन सीजेस टू पे टैक्स अंडर कंपाउंडिंग स्कीम. इसमें credit is available on inputs, semi-finished goods, finished goods and capital goods on reduced percentage basis, and it will be available from the day immediately preceding the date from which he becomes liable to pay tax. The fourth circumstance is exempt supply becomes taxable supply, and credit will be available on inputs, semi-finished goods, finished goods related to such exempt supply, capital goods, reduced percentage basis and exclusively used for exempt supply. It is available from the day immediately preceding the date from which such supply becomes taxable. So these are the special circumstances for availability of input tax credit. Besides this, we also include one case of ITC reversal in this, that is for when registration is cancelled. So in today's video, we have discussed about blocked credits, special circumstances of input tax credit. Thank you.